Hey everybody, RJ Baxter here with Fairway Independent Mortgage with your weekly market update. And I'm here in my car today, running around town, doing some Christmas stuff. And there's a lot of people doing it right now. Retail sales came out this morning pretty darn strong, which is an encouraging sign for the economy because it means people are out there still spending money, doing their Christmas shopping. So this is positive data. Yet this week we didn't see the volatility that we've seen in previous weeks leading up to this week. And mortgage rates remain flat this week, partially because of this. The markets have been relatively even overall. And I think a lot of what's going on is people are looking to the Fed meeting next week. The Federal Reserve is doing their last meeting of the year on Tuesday and Wednesday, and there's a lot of debate as to what they're going to do. Are they going to hike rates like they've been saying by 0.25%? Or are they going to hold back and not hike rates, which would be a huge surprise to the market, and that could make the markets move in a major way. So we'll see what happens next week. A lot of people are talking about it. And I wanted to talk this week a little bit about time in the market versus timing the market, because this is such an important concept. I saw a video this morning. A lady was talking about how if housing weakens, and we are seeing some signs that maybe housing is weakening a little bit, but nothing conclusive yet. But if housing weakens, how it would not be a good time to buy. And I 110% disagree with that. Especially if you're renting, what better time to buy than when the market's weak? You're going to have better bargaining power. You're going to probably get a better deal on the house. And going back to that time in the market versus timing the market, you can never time the market. If you try to time the market to buy a home at the absolute bottom or to sell at the absolute top, you're going to drive yourself crazy. It's about time in the market. Some of the smartest investors that I know are putting money in the stock market right now, despite what's happening when we've seen these huge drops in the stock market. They're still investing. We have real estate investors still buying rental properties and fix and flips in this market. So again, it's time in the market, not timing the market. It's your home that you're buying. So if you're not planning on moving, it's always a good time to buy, because time in the market is where you're going to gain appreciation, you're going to gain principal buy down, and gain long-term equity in that house. So that's a little bit about my thoughts about that. So we'll see what happens next week. Join me back here for the market update, and I'll share with you exactly what happened and what's going on. And once again, rates remain low, so if you're thinking about doing something, now is a perfect time to get pre-approved to buy a house, or to look at what you could do on a refinance if you're looking to consolidate debt or get rid of mortgage insurance. If you want to take a look at your situation, just let me know. My name is RJ Baxter, Fairway Independent Mortgage. You guys have a great rest of the week, rest of the Friday, and have a great weekend. Keep it safe out there. Thanks for watching.